Chevy Tahoe has a leak in the back. That's usually in this area, water leak. You can see the water always here accumulates, and this is applies for this truck or Suburban or anything similar. So you need to find out where is the leak is exactly coming from. As you can see, there are hinges here and there are rubber weather strips here, and there is also this electric housing here. So we need to find out where is this leak coming from. It's really nasty when it rains, and especially when it pours. So let me show you how I find out where the leak coming from. This is a lot of water here. It accumulates under. As you can see, it's all the way inside here. So all you need is soap and sharp air. Okay, so I'm gonna put extra soap in these areas, so at least I can find out everywhere in case there's a crack in the body. So try to make it as soapy as possible, not water, so you could see the bubbles. Okay. I already remove this cover here. It comes under here all the way at the back, as you can see, so I can have access underneath here. So I'm gonna blow air inside this area, air in here through these. There are holes under here. I'm blowing on this area here. Let me change position, and I'm blowing right here. Nothing. So blow here. You can find any hole, spots through here, and just like blow air. Nothing. Here we go. We go closer. You see the air. It's right here. Right here. Wow. Keep moving until I try to find more and more. Wow, right here. Okay. So very much is this one right here. It's leaking. Let me just put some water there. Yeah. We just remove that soap again. So it's very much is this one right here. Let me try to pry it. Just have to be gentle here. It's really. Okay. So this boot is what's leaking. You gotta clean it really well, let it dry, and then put it back in. This glue here It looks like it's not good anymore. So let's clean everything here. So what I'm gonna use the same thing I use for oil sealers. For gasket maker, I use this ultra black silicone. You could use anything you want, you wish, you feel it's comfortable, but make sure this is really has to be cleaned really well. And this area here has to be cleaned very well. Okay, you could use alcohol to make sure there's no oily spots or it's not slippery. This way it doesn't leak. So it's very much this boot the problem. So this is applies to different trucks, and it doesn't hurt to check the rest of the boots if there's any other boots that leaking. But for me at this moment right now, this is the problem. All right, so this is what's leaking inside, and that's very much it. So I'm gonna apply the silicone and all around, and that should be it. Thank you for watching.